Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the live trading room recap for Thursday, September the 24th. My name is Barry Enerson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. Now, this is, I think you can, we'll probably keep this up for a while. You can keep going to this address, but you'll be taken to our new Novia trading room. And, for the first day, I think we did pretty well. I'm going to go over a couple of trades that I called live in the room. I was on the mic virtually all day. I have to admit, I thought, I would only be on the mic maybe in the first 10 minutes of the or during the pre-market, maybe doing some pre-market prep, and that would be it. I just wanted to kind of get my feet wet, but I think it went pretty well actually in terms of being on the mic all day long and answering some questions and putting out some trade ideas and all. So I think the interaction was really good. Again, we won't have to, you're not going to have to log in with your Facebook or your Twitter account. If you go here, there's going to be a banner ad, I believe, and it'll take you to Omnovia. You just sign in with your with an email and I think your first and last name and create a username and then you're in. Okay, so let me, I didn't, one of the things I'm going to have to learn how to manage my time here because it took me a while to even get into a trade. As you can imagine, I've got a few things going on now, trying to get live and also type into the room. But let's see, maybe get to a 15-minute chart. HRTX is what we were looking at. Let me make sure it's not symbol linked. And HRTX is what I was looking at for a long, 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 long time. And again, IBB is getting trounced again. So HRTX is IBB being the healthcare sector. And so looking at it, when did I get in? 37.63. 37.63 is when I shorted it, right? So it's going to be about right. Now you get the drift. It's about right there. And I got out of it at 36.88, about right there, and some down here, about 36.40-ish. So right there. But why did I get into this? Obviously a weak stock. It looked like it was trying to get down below 36 or 37 I'm sorry, 38 for quite a while. And so I kept watching it in this area and it was bouncing. The IBB at the same time was really going down and this wasn't being dragged down. And eventually, though, when it happened, I gave it a little more time to make sure that it was fully through 38. And so I definitely hopped on the trade right here. A bit spready, had to withstand a little bit of churn in this area, but I did take the trade at 37.63, covered a little bit of lag, covered here at 36.88 and 36.40. So a really nice trade and kind of cool because it was completely live in our trading room. Everybody could see what I was doing. I was calling it out. So I must have spent, half an hour on telling people to watch this. And so it was pretty gratifying. Anybody who took it certainly made some good money on it. The next one was, I have to admit, I'm a little bit tired. I'm going to have to get used to. This one was I've got to mark this too, came here on the RBI 15. So the red bar ignored on the 15-minute time. And you can see, so the alert was at 20.99. 20.99. Let me just expand this a bit. You have to bear with me on these videos now because I'm going to be, I am tired. I have to tell you, I am very tired. It is tiring being on a mic all day long. But anyway, I'm not complaining. No complaints at all. It's been a lot of fun. Anyway, the alert was here. You can see here's the green bar, the red bar, the green bar. So the alert right at 20.99, like this said. Just moving it now. I have to move this over because once I click on a chart, so I'm just going to make the chart just a little bit smaller. There we go. So bring this in here. So right at 20.99. So actually, one of the nice things about this is that it hadn't run away from us yet. This green candle was still in this area, so it hadn't run away. Could have gone, sky high. In which case, your alert at 20.99 is almost useless if this candle, because remember, we're not seeing the alert until this candle. starts to form. All these candles have to form. So I see the alert right here. We quickly look. So luckily this hadn't gone sky high. Gave us a chance to get into the trade. It took a long time. I was almost out. Literally, I think if it had gone down another penny or two, I was out of the trade. But still in. Sold some. So I did sell some, and but I'm still hanging in here. And here's the high of the day. It breached it, and we'll have to see if it happens again. And if it can, I'm still going to hang on. Market has another hour and 15 minutes left. And the other trade I did take live was the gold trade. It did not work out for me, and I can't say that it. Let's see, 60.27. The gold trade was off the same 60.27, so gold was right here, $60.11. Had I held on to it, it would have worked, but here's the stop at 59.89. So keeping that in mind, took the trade, was right around here at 60.20, and initially it popped up. I think it was right around here, this level. I'm sorry I don't have it marked up. I just had so much going on that I just didn't get a chance to mark the chart up, but I took the trade right around here at 60.20. It had a brief pop up, and then it came down, and it certainly would have been stopped out, and then it came back up. But uh, I took the trade because I was looking at the spider sector. Now here it is down, but during the time that this was moving up, gold was up, so thought, okay, go with the flow on it. But it's funny, as this was moving down on me on the 5 minute time period, everything else was green. The daily, the 5 minute time period, all these other sectors were fine. Gold was red, which meant it was moving down. So just bad timing to get in it then. But cannot complain at all about the day went, the first day live on the mic, and hopefully, we'll get better. There's some things that I know we can do a little bit better in terms of alerts, and also in the announcement section we can put up various links so people can click on them, and without my having to dole them out. But if you like what you saw today in the room, you're watching this video, please tell your friends. Still, it's free. You don't have to be a Trade Idea subscriber, and we'd love to see you in there and trade with us. So, quick video today. I can't wait to get back into the room live. So I will end it right here. Thanks very much for listening, and hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow.